Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. I am Islam Akbar and I'll be my stay away. And I'm from group of seven, and we're gonna discuss about explain or discuss the equality contribute to race crime. Let me show you slide one. Slide one about understanding equality, understanding of equality, imbalance in the distribution of income wealth and economic opportunities between groups, individuals on radio in society. Now, this understanding of social equality makes so many crises of social inequality, discrimination, social structure, public policies, globalization, and education. Now, types of social inequality about one economic inequality, political inequality. Now, what about the the effect poverty access to social point two social unrest, protest, conflicts, and social movements. Point three mental health, stress, anxiety, and depression. Point four limited social mobility, restricted opportunities for advancement. Now, let me go to slide two. Now, what factors causing economic inequality? These are some of the factors. Inequality economy, access differences, discrimination, government policy, unfair economic system, lack of job opportunity. Nah, so many factors who causing economic inequality about point one, economic factors. Point two, social factors, political factors, global factors, institutional factors, demographic, technological, historical, and so many more factors again. Nah, we're gonna do about the in urban areas. The figure was at 17.41% for rural areas. The figure was decreased at 21.39%. Now, if we take a case from global statistics, the world reaches 1%, hold 38% of global. That makes me so confused. Point two, the top 20% of the population earns 80% of the income in the US. So imbalance. If we take a case from Indonesia, 58% millennials are concerned about social and economic inequality. The GDP ratio basically income inequality increased to 0 to 88 in March 2023. 20% of the upper class population benefits more from economic growth than the middle and lower classes. The poverty rate in Indonesia is from 2019 to 2023, but economic inequality persists demographic concerns. So that's all for me. Enjoy.
Hello everyone, my name is Dimas Bayu Sakti with student identification number 13121000035. The impact of economic inequality of society. Following are the impact of economic inequality on society and what an equal access into social jealousy is hampered, and three, high crime rate and four, economic growth. Equal access and social jealousy, in addition to economic factor, people's quality for life is also influenced by social welfare. Social welfare includes access to social security, social protection, and social assistance programs. Economic factors such as economic growth and unemployment can affect to government need to pay attention to social welfare aspects in an effort to improve the quality for life of the community. High crime rate arise due to unstable economic factors such as employment. Economic growth is high economic growth contributes directly to improving the quality of life of the community. With sustainable economic growth, wider employment is created so that employment can be reduced. In addition, economic growth also has a positive impact on people's income, which is in turn can increase their purchasing power and living standard. The rules of government in economic inequality. The following is: number 1, social assistance program; number 2, job opening; number 3, strengthening growth center; number 4, tax policy; and number 5, education policy. Effort to resolve social disparities. Number 1, economic empowerment; number 2, social protection; number 3, elimination economic of distraction; number 4, income redistribution.
Economic dependence. Example of economic dependence: unequal digital access, income inequality, gap in access to capital and resources. Social economy: disparities between official and the community. Conclusions: in order to prevent crimes due to economic inequality in society, the role of government is very important so that society has economic equality in order to minimize the occurrence of crime. Thank you.